What is up and welcome to another video. Today is Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. I hope you are all doing great today. Bitcoin continues to pump, guys, and our Solana trade posted in the free Telegram group is almost near the final target right now. And ZZ was not allowed to come back to UAE. So let's check the latest news and, of course, the updates for the charts that we have discussed yesterday. All right, so if you are watching this video right now and if you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button. Of course, help me reach 30 likes per day. All right, so that's our daily target. So let's jump into the chart, guys. Right, so let me just pull up this one. Timer starts. All right. Why Binance US plea deal could be positive for crypto adoption. So according to this article, the Binance or ZZ pleading guilty is positive for the overall crypto adoption. I think that will be that is a good sign that Binance is slowly accepting the going towards regulations, guys. And the new CEO or the new CEO of Binance, Richard Tang, is also an expert about regulation. So I hope that we can integrate crypto with the regulations soon in the future. So in the settlement, further indication that crypto industry Wild West era is winding down. So we are slowly moving towards the regulatory approval, guys, with a new approach marked by regulation and taxation beginning. Many predicted that Binance would never embrace regulation. It would only pretend to comply in jurisdiction like the United States. So this was one of the Twitter posts of ZZ. Today I stepped down, and also another news, by the way, today as well. ZZ stooped down as the CEO of Binance US, guys. He stooped down today as the CEO of Binance US. Another news here. So ZZ judge says ZZ can't return to UAE ahead of sentencing. According to this article, former Binance Changpeng Zhao or ZZ will have to stay in the US ahead of his sentencing in February. Aww. So he will not be able to celebrate Christmas and New Year together with his family here in UAE. So this is bad news for ZZ, because he needs to stay in the United States until February, guys. So that is not a good news for ZZ. Judge Richard Jones of the U.S. District Court for Western District of Washington in Seattle ordered that a condition that would have allowed Zhao to return to his home in United Arab Emirates before his sentencing be stayed until such time as this court resolves the government motion for review, according to court filing on Monday. So this is not a good news for ZZ, guys. He needs to stay in the U.S. until his sentencing in February. I think that is going to happen in February 2024. So today, posted by Watcher Guru, just in Changpeng Zhao, ZZ resigns as the chairman of Binance US. So this is already expected. He needs to resign because he already pleaded guilty. I think they are slowly adopting with the regulations, guys. But also, they gave access. Now, I think the Securities and Exchange Commission or the DOJ, I'm not really sure which one, but now they have access to Binance data. I am expecting, actually, in my own opinion, if they see some irregularities or like wash trading, money laundering business that is happening behind the scene, that could also cause chaos in the market, guys. So watch out for that possibility as well. Because right now, the DOJ or the Securities and Exchange Commission will gain access to Binance data. So that is one possibility. There could be a news in the coming months. And also, if you are here for long term, we are right now looking at this post from CryptoCon. Today is the most important day of the year for Bitcoin, because if you are going to look at long term, if you are here for long term, guys, right now we are approaching. We are here. If you have been into the previous cycles, so we have a 4-year cycle. The first cycle was 2013, 14, 15, 16 until the 2017. Second bull run or second cycle was 2017 to 2021. So we have a 4-year cycle, guys. 2014, this was the first cycle, by the way. 2010 up to 2013. Second cycle was 2014 up to 2018. And third cycle was 2019 up to 2022. And right now we are on the fourth cycle, which is 2023 up to 2026. So we are right now on the third level, guys, on the fourth cycle. So we are here. And according to this chart, we might see, this is the one that I'm talking about on my previous video. We might see a final dip, guys. This blue area right here, we might see one more leg up and then a dip to the lower level. So this blue zone right here could actually take Bitcoin back to this lower levels here. So I am still expecting a final dip, final shakeout before we go on the next parabolic run. So if you are here for long term, and if you are not holding any bags right now, I would suggest, in my own opinion, not to FOMO on the current prices of altcoin and Bitcoin. You can actually wait for the final dip, or you can actually DCA, because if you're going to check this halving cycles or long term, if you're looking at this, if you're going to zoom out the chart, we are still very, very early, guys. And the next possible target for this will be minimum the previous all-time high. So from the current price, $38,000 or $37,000, that is still like 2x from its all-time high. But if you want like 10x, 20x, 200x gems, that is not going to be Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will give you maximum 5x to 5x from the current price, or even if it dips down to 20,000 level, that will give you 5x if it reach 100,000 on 2025 to 2026, guys. Altcoins will give you a very promising return, but of course there is a risk involved as well. So if you are here for long term, DCA would be the best option. Do not put your eggs in just one shot. Do not just buy in one bulk, guys. So if you are here for long term, just slowly DCA until the peak here. So we are expecting another rally, another bull market in 2024, probably by the end of 2024 and 2025. And also, let's check what is happening with coin market cap. So that dip, I think, if you have watched my previous video yesterday, I'm expecting a retest of support, guys. For Ethereum, I was expecting a retest of that breakout point from the bull flag pattern. And if you are in our Telegram group, I have shared one chart today. Bitcoin is back to $38,000. And of course, I have shared Solana's chart in our free public Telegram group. We are almost near the final target. I have prepared several charts today. I have with me here one chart request from the comment on our yesterday's video. Alpha, Solana, BTC, Ethereum, BNB. So we are going to check these charts, and I'm going to share with you my targets and possible buy zones and sell areas. BNB is also recovering slowly today, up by 2% in the past 24 hours. Solana is pumping hard, up by 5% in the past 24 hours. And Toncoin is still at number 11, guys. Chainlink is also up by 2% today. AVAX, I think this is something that we need to keep an eye on. Also, if you are in our public Telegram group, this was the chart that I have shared today. So for Solana, it was trading at around 55.11. And by the way, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. If you want financial advice, consult with your financial advisor. All right, so Solana was trading today at around 55. I have shared this chart. We have actually a bullish divergence forming in the oscillator. Of course, using Chart Prime, if you want to use this indicator, they have a Cyber Monday promo. So feel free to check it out on their website. The link is on the description down below. There will be exclusive discount if you are going to use my referral link in the description below. And of course, bullish divergence forming in the oscillator here. And as what you can see, the price is forming higher lows while the oscillator fails to make a new low, guys. So we have a bullish divergence here from Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. And of course, there is a confluence here. We have a support trend line. And the possible target of this is near the 50 exponential moving average. And here's the chart update, guys. We have, I think, Solana have reached the final target. So the risk to reward ratio of this chart was 3.3% versus 4.69%. If you have any chart requests, feel free to leave some comments in the comment section down below. And I will try to answer them today if we have time or on my next video. So I have prepared some charts today and also previous comments. I'm going to answer previous comments, guys. Welcome to the stream, guys. We have Fitu High. We have also Lancelot Canoy and Galford watching the stream. So thank you so much for joining me daily, guys. We have Fly. So Solana, the price of Solana could still revisit this area, guys. We have very high liquidity order block level in the 4-hour time frame here at around 58 up to $60. We still have this order block as well from 61 up to $62 here. And let's check. This is about to break the possible resistance trend line in the 4-hour time frame. So we have this symmetrical triangle pattern. The price bounced from the support trend line, and right now it is approaching this resistance, guys. resistance in confluence with a 50 exponential moving average, but I would have to wait for the oscillator to reach the overbought area. So be patient with your trade. Safer short entry or scalp short, I would wait for this order block level here and check for the price action if there is a selling pressure once the price reach this level here. This is around 58 to 60, and another very high order block at around 61 to $62 for Solana. So I have shared this chart again in our free public Telegram group, guys. Feel free to, if you want to join this public Telegram group, check out the link in the description down below. This was the chart, guys. Bullish divergence forms on Solana, 4-hour time frame, high risk entry, risk to reward ratio almost 50-50. Safer quick scalp would be on the bullish order block zone near 200 EMA, orange area. So this was a beautiful trade, actually. If you're trading leverage, 5% using 20x, that will give you around 200%. Or 250%. All right. We have also I cannot see the name. So we have also MTS joining us today. Please share FTM chart. Also Daniel. Hi, Chill. Welcome to the stream, guys. Thanks for joining me. Show me your Discord winning trades today. Discord winning trades today. We have also winning trades here in the free public Telegram group. So I have shared several trades, ETC. Also, this was a spot trade, live trade, Ocean today. This was my entry, guys. And of course, here's the TP points, and here's the profit. So we have hit the TP2, I believe, today for Ocean. So that's congratulations to those who were able to get into the trade. 19 minutes. Next chart, we have BTC. Let's check Ethereum first. So again, if you have watched my stream yesterday, I was expecting a bounce in this level. Order block level at around 1989, and invalidation. This 200 exponential moving average is moving, guys. So this is right now at around 1946. Yesterday, I was talking about the possible invalidation of this bull flag at around 1930. And we have also a bullish divergence that forms in the oscillator here. Same level of resistance that we need to keep an eye on. 2,100 level, same target for Ethereum, guys, 2,300. This bull flag remains valid until we break down below this 200 exponential moving average, which is right now at around 1940 area. So that's for Ethereum, guys. Same level that we need to keep an eye on. So we had a breakout, retested support, and right now the price is attempting to break this resistance zone or very high OB at around 2,100 level up to 2,150 area for Ethereum, guys. And for Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still trading inside this parallel channel or a possible rising wedge pattern. So if we move it here and adjust this one right here, this could also form a possible rising wedge pattern. If you're trading chart patterns, you know that rising wedge pattern is a bearish pattern with a breakout target of the bottom of the wedge. That will give us $16,000 for Bitcoin. I'm not saying that that is going to happen, but we can trade this by zone, guys. So for now, this zone or this channel remains valid. If you're going to check the lower time frames, by the way, we have a bearish divergence that is forming in the oscillator here. Double bearish divergence on the daily time frame. So right now the price is almost near this resistance, and we have several confluence here, guys. If you're going to zoom in, let's check the 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, we have several. Let me just hide this one. So bullish divergence. Most of the charts are forming bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. Same resistance levels, 38,000 up to 38,500. This was the previous rejection area here for BTC. Let's check if BTC will be able to break this one. If BTC 4-hour time frame, 4-hour candle closes above 38,500, or daily candle closes above 38,500, 40,000 will be a very easy target. Maximum $42,000. If you're going to zoom out, let's go back to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have this Fibonacci retracement level. This is in confluence with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. This could actually go up to, if you're just going to refer to this Fibonacci retracement level, the price could still retrace up to 61.8, which will give us 48,800. But for now, we'll stick to this level here. This is still valid. This zone resistance could be a very good short entry point. Watch out for this very, very specific level, guys. 38,500 for BTC. So if you are scalping, if you are right now, the candle looks really bullish here on the daily time frame. If the daily time frame closes about 38,000 or 37,900, let's say 37,900, that will be my confirmation that we are going to trade even higher. So this will be our first or initial confirmation here. Wait for the daily candle, but if the daily candle closes above this level right here, then that would confirm a break of resistance, and of course a possible breakout play. CME gap at 38,500. That could also get filled in the coming hours, because right now Bitcoin is around almost $38,000. Hazer is AVAX. Good entry, and thank you so much. Let's check AVAX if we still have time today. We still have 5 minutes, so let's proceed, guys. This is one of the chart requests, by the way. Let's read some of the comments on my previous video. What do you think about Alpha? Sir Chill. We'll check it on my next stream. So I have prepared here Alpha chart. Yes, I lost just over 10 Bitcoin with BlockFi due to FTX collapse. So FTX collapse, we have discussed it yesterday. It was really a tragic moment, guys, that no one had anticipated. That was actually very shocking that it had happened to FTX. That is why you need to be extra careful in putting money into these exchanges, guys, because we'll never know. No one will guarantee. So safest still is, of course, holding your cryptos in cold storage, or you can either use Ledger or Trezor, or even just Trust Wallet would be safer than putting all your money into exchanges. And especially right now with all this regulatory concerns that we have, it is super high risk to put all your money in an exchange. And by the way, everyone is preparing for the bull run, knowing it will start in the first quarter of 2024. I think we are going to see, I think, in my own opinion, we are still going to see a correction, guys, as what I've explained on my previous video. It's been a while since I caught your stream, but good as usual. Thank you for always supporting, guys. And let's proceed with alpha. This is actually one of the chart requests. Again, we have several bullish divergence on the weekly time frame looking at the alpha chart. Even though I don't trade, I don't recommend trading altcoins because of its super high risk nature. Look at this, all of this volatility, guys. If you're trading leverage, if you're trading altcoins with leverage, suggest you'd be extra careful trading this nasty charts, guys. So looking at the weekly time frame, we have several bullish divergence that forms in the oscillator here, and it seems that this is forming a descending triangle pattern or a possible symmetrical triangle pattern here. So we have the support trend line and resistance trend line. We have this 50 exponential moving average in confluence with our resistance trend line, and for now we are seeing a short-term rejection. This level right here, this was the previous pivot point. Look at this. We have several buy pressure at around this area, and also at around this area right here. So we have several traffic and limit orders and buy pressure, sell pressure at around this area. So right now, this will serve as a short-term resistance for alpha. Possible. This is still in an overall uptrend, and we still have enough fuel to go up here, up to the overbought area. But looking at the indicators, guys, we have this very high order block on the weekly time frame. The price could tap into this level in the future, 0.1347 up to 0.2, and that will give you, let's check how many percent. That will give you at around 125%, just in case the price would reach this level right here. But we have very, very high order block, 41 million at around 0.18. This will also be the ideal breakout target for this chart. That will give you 92% return, guys. Again, trading altcoin is super high risk. So this will be the ideal breakout target. So for this chart, this will be the ideal breakout target. Likely target will be the middle, or this resistance right here. We have several resistance at around this level, guys. So likely target will be this area at around 0.13. For now, this is still inside the symmetrical triangle pattern. Still in an overall uptrend. Let's check the lower time frames, if we can ride this wave. So we have a trend here. This trend is being held by this 50 exponential moving average. So our entry zone, if you're buying in spot, or I don't know if this this is listed in the perpetual trading, but this is going to be our buy zone near the 50 exponential moving average. Possible retest right now. I think the price is on the retest of support here, so this will be the area of retest. It's going to be around this level, guys. Area of retest, and then let's see if the price will be able to flip this area right here into a support. If that is going to happen, then we might see a breakout and a possible target of 0.18, which is the ideal breakout target, but I will remain conservative and I would take some profit at around this area here and also near the resistance trend line. So breakout possible rejection near this resistance trend line, retest of support here at around 0.1, and likely target remains at 0.143. When long pumps, Luna follows. Could you check SEI or SEI? I don't know if we still have time today, but it's almost 30 minutes, guys. And thank you so much for joining me today. Of course, don't forget to pump the like button. Smash the like button. Help me reach 30 likes daily, guys. And of course, by the way, before we end this video, congratulations to user ID 450814. You have won the last week giveaway on FairDesk, $100 bonus at your account. Enjoy it. Now 16th round is coming. FairDesk giveaway announcement. To qualify to this giveaway, sign up if you want to create an account. And if you want to trade in FairDesk, you can sign up using my referral link in the description down below. Open at least one trade and you will be qualified for the next round, or the 16th round, which will end on December 4. That is almost a week from now. So congratulations to user ID 450814. I think Solana hit the final target now. Congratulations to Solana. Solana long position holders. This was shared today in our free public Telegram group. So this was the chart, guys. And here's the chart update right now. Solana. Final target hit. Congratulations to those who were able to get into the trade. Let's check some of the comments here, Q&A, and of course, chart request. Check WLD if you have time. We have also CME gap at 38.5. I think that is going to be filled because that is in confluence with the BTC resistance here. At around, right now, BTC is at 38,150, guys. Looking very bullish. Although we have a bearish divergence on the daily time frame, 4-hour time frames, charts are printing this bullish divergences on the oscillator, guys. Bullish divergence on the oscillator, not only for Bitcoin, but same with most of the altcoins. Could you check SEI? Let's check this one. SEI, what else do we have here? FTM. This was the first request, guys. FTM. So I think this will be our last chart for today. Let's check. Let's check very quickly. Right now, this Solana is approaching the resistance trend line, guys. Resistance trend line. Watch out for a possible breakout play here. Chart is still looking very, very bullish. This candle right here still looks very, very bullish. Congratulations to Solana. Solana long position holders. FTM. FTM. So Phantom is almost near our, we had a previous bull flag here, which have hit the final target. Medium to long-term target also already hit for FTM. This chart was shared in our VIP Discord. Analysis is also shared in our VIP Discord, guys. So this was the previous target here. Breaker block and order block level have already been hit. This was a 31% move, guys. Congratulations to the VIPs in our Discord. I think I've shared this as well on my Twitter account. So for FTM, let's hide the indicators first so that we'll have a clearer picture of the chart. So FTM is still trading inside this possible falling wedge pattern, actually. Falling wedge patterns are bullish patterns with the ideal breakout target, top of the wedge as the ideal breakout target, guys. So this will give us the 0.37 up to 0.38 target for FTM. Ideal breakout target. All right, so this will be the ideal breakout target for this possible falling wedge pattern. Let's check the amount of or the Fibonacci retracement level. Let's find some confluence, guys. So we have this resistance here. 31.8 is in confluence with this area right here. This will serve as our first resistance level for FTM. 50%, we don't have much confluence on this area. So the next resistance that I will be looking at will be the 61.8 or the Fibonacci golden ratio, which will give us the likely target breakout or the likely target for this possible breakout. So this is around 0.34. So wait for the confirmation, guys. Right now, this is not the right time to FOMO into the trade. The train already left. Let's check how many percent is this. This is already up by almost 7%, and the likely target from the current price will give us 10%. But if you are trading this in spot, let's check the weekly time frame. Let's hide this one first. Oh, let me just delete all of this. On the weekly time frame, support, we have this. Right. Weekly time frame. This will give us the same level, 0.47. Breakout here. This will be the major resistance for FTM, 61.8. This could serve as a very good resistance for FTM. Let's put back the indicators. So looking at the weekly time frame, the oscillator is already in the overbought area. So a possible retest of support at around this area right here. Support. Support and possible buy zone for short term, guys. Possible buy zone for short term will be this area. Safer buy zone will be this bullish order block at around buy zone spot. This will be my buy zone for a possible retest or rejection here at around 50 exponential moving average. This is in confluence with a 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. We have a good confluence here. That is why we are seeing a rejection, guys. Very good confluence. 50 exponential moving average in confluence with a 38.2, in confluence with the oscillator in the overbought area. That could be a very good trade. And also another confluence on the daily time frame is this order block level, very high, 1.7, and we are possible bullish cross here on the daily time frame for FTM, guys. 50 exponential moving average is about to cross above this 200 exponential moving average, guys. So let's see actually if we just try to FOMO into this trade. That will give you 10%. Bearish divergence here. On the daily time frame, this will give us, if you're trading this in spot, and that will be okay. You can actually DCA spot, short term. If you're trading short term in spot, this could be a good buy zone here. That will give you 8% risk, 8% risk versus 20 or 30% reward. So we have a very good risk to reward ratio here. I'm going to share this chart in our free public Telegram group. Again, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. And if you're going to zoom out, guys, FTM could still continue to pump up to this 61.8. Where is 61.8? 61.8, which will give us 61% from the current price. Bullish cross is about to happen here for FTM, guys. Short term, let's stick to this one. 30% target for short term. So I'll share this chart in our free public Telegram group. Feel free to check it out if you want to join the Chill Traders community. The link is in the description down below. And of course, if you want to join the VIP group, I have exclusive announcements and my personal trades. I'm sharing it here. And of course, we have also very exact levels that we need to keep an eye on. As for example, this one right here, it's ETC, and some of the futures trade are posted in this channel, futures trade channel. Today we had this Ocean short term quick trade for Ocean, and of course some play chart here, play chart for BNB, important play chart. So we have long, short position once the price reached that area. Again, thanks for joining me, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, and of course, leave some comments if you have any comments or chart requests, reaction, violent reaction. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for joining me today. Have a good night and trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you on the next one.